Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have the button record screen. Tap on it once and the recording will start. Let's record some of our screen. You can pause recording by tapping on the pause button here. And you can stop recording by tapping on this button here. You can find your recording in the gallery and the screen recording album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. You can also access some of the screen recorder settings if you hold your finger on it. You can set it to display touch trajectory. You can set it to record voice or microphone sound or system sound. You can select picture quality here, and also there's an option recording in progress, do not disturb. When enabled, screen recording will not be disturbed by floating notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.